Yeah, I took pictures of the balloons with the names.
You put a whole lot of people. Good, Robert. Yay!
Yay!
I know we're overdue.
Oh, you got
You were
somebody
waiting
else?
in good man. Look, who is it?
Scooby-Doo!
Oh, Scooby, 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 Scoo. That's what he says. Scooby,
Look,
Scoo.
Robert! Look!
You got one, Robert?
Robert!
Kathleen. Yes. Kathleen, can we turn around this way so I can see your facial expressions? Are you happy? Happy.
Okay, we don't have to open it all the way up. We can do this later.
You have more to open up.
Wow, Scooby-Doo. Yay. They always want to say, I want to watch Scooby. He says Scooby-Scoo. Yeah, they had a bunch of them at Target. Yeah. All right,
We'll open it in a little bit.
that was the rest of them. Is this her?
That's both of them.
Oh, look, Robert, look, that's together. That's both of y'all. Let's see that. Wow. Oh. That's a folding one. That's an old one. That's folding. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I thought it was kind of cool because they could share.
Big bubble bucket.
Oh.
Got those bad allergy things like that.
And the bubbles are right there.
I don't know. I used to do a lot. I gotta start taking my medicine. I forget what it's called, but I start taking it after breakfast. Oh, yeah? Before I go outside, or I'll just sing over it.
We'll play with that outside too, but you do it later. Do it later, okay? Wow.
Well, what's it? What?
Robert? That's Robert. Here, Robert. That's for you.
You got a new outfit.
Oh, look at that dress.
Aww.
Let's see, Kathleen.
Let's see the dress.
Show us the dress. Show us the dress.
Hold it up.
Oh.
Aww.
Look at the camera.
Hold it up to the camera.
Show Sissy.
Hold it up. And smile.
Aww. Good girl.
Robert. He's reading. I know. Robert, look. Look, you got some growing moves. Yay.
He's like, yeah, but I got Scooby-Doo.
I'm not interested in clothes.
He's trying to read Scooby-Doo.
They're for both of them. Yeah, so they can split both of those. They're for both of them.
Okay.
Robert, you got another present.
Yeah, they're different.
Robert.
Hey, say thank you. Thank you. Grandma and Granddaddy, thank you.
Scooby-Doo.
Here told me they love Scooby-Doo. It's funny, lately you said that, and this week at the hospital I had more kids that kind of age that has just been enthralled with Scooby-Doo. I know. And I have a couple Scooby-Doo scrubs, and they just get so excited. And Scooby-Doo is such an old character. I know. It's not like Scooby-Doo or anything.
Yeah, I used to watch
What is that?
That's for both of them. Robert,
Hey,
you got more presents.
look.
Robert, look.
Help me open that up. Oh, all kinds of bubbles, huh? Well, that's always fun.
Not stickers.
Yeah, good we're having a bubble.
No, they're books. I used to love those books.
Later outside.
Oh, I forgot you got this book.
Yay.
We're gonna do another present. We're gonna do
Gonna have plenty of bubbles here.
Robert, there's more.
Robert, look.
Robert, you're missing out.
More bubbles. Here's some too. Look, you got big things of bubbles. Oh my word. Summer hot.
Well, that'll last in a lawnmower too, because I bought him that little lawnmower last year. So.
Some bugs. turtle?
Turtle the turtle.
Yertle the turtle.
Yeah, Yodel the turtle. And then there's Happy